Hello friends, I'm very happy that you are with me. Today I'm going to tell you 5 things to do before applying makeup. These steps are very important to prepare your skin for makeup. Make your makeup smoother and longer lasting, and take good care of your skin. I apply these steps every day and I can see the difference on my skin. You try it too and write me the results. Let's get started. Cleanse your skin. Cleansing your skin before makeup is a must to get rid of dirt, oil, and residue on your face. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type and apply it to your face gently with a massage. I have dry skin, so I use a moisturizing cream cleanser. This cleanser softens and hydrates my skin. Then I rinse it with warm water. Rub your face with ice. Don't skip this step, because rubbing your face with ice has many benefits for your skin. Ice increases blood flow to your skin, making it look more alive. It also reduces puffiness under your eyes and tightens your pores. Wrap ice cubes in a towel and gently press and move them on your face. This will prepare your skin for makeup and make your foundation apply more evenly. Apply toner. Toner is the final stage of cleansing your skin. Toner removes dead skin cells, makeup residue, or other bacteria that remain on your skin. It also closes pores and moisturizes skin. Choose a non-alcoholic, non-drying toner and apply it to your face gently with a cotton pad. Wait a few seconds for the toner to dry. The toner I use refreshes and softens my skin. Apply eye cream. The skin around the eyes is very sensitive and thin, so it requires special care. Eye cream helps prevent or reduce dark circles, wrinkles, and bags under the eyes. It also makes your eye makeup look better. Choose an eye cream that suits your skin type and needs. The eye cream I use contains caffeine and hyaluronic acid. This brightens and moisturizes my under eyes. When applying eye cream, dab it gently with your finger. Don't pull or rub. Use moisturizer or primer. Moisturizing your skin before makeup is very important for both your skin health and your makeup appearance. Moisturizer protects your skin from drying out, smooths it, and makes your makeup last longer. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it to your face and neck with a massage. The moisturizer I use contains SPF 15 protection factor. This protects my skin from the harmful rays of the sun. These are the 5 things to do before applying makeup. When you apply these steps, you will see that your skin is healthier, brighter, and smoother. Your makeup will also look much more beautiful. I tried these steps and I was very satisfied. You try it too and write me your opinions in the comments. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.